Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. I hope everyone is doing well. Alright you guys, so I wanted to share this little mini makeover that I did on the deck. I know you guys probably been waiting for this makeover, but I decided to just do a mini makeover and then I'm going to work on the rest of the deck. But you guys, listen up. I had to get this set. This is Ikea pieces. What you're looking at here is the folding chair and also the folding table. Now let me tell you why I got these, you guys. We already know that the folding chair is multi-purpose, right? So I said, well, let me get two chairs. These chairs was on sale for $10. This is why I got them. The table, the folding table, was on sale for $15. Again, the folding chair, $10, and the folding table, $15. So this was a run deal. When I went to Ikea, I didn't go to Ikea to buy any patio, deck, porch furniture. But I'm telling y'all now, if you want it, you better go get it, because by tomorrow, a lot of these items is going to be selling out. Now, they had some beautiful white kind of rattan furniture. Umbrellas was on sale. The sofas was on sale. Their benches, all this outdoor furniture was on sale. But the reason why I got this, you guys, is because I knew that it would fit right here in my corner of my deck. I knew it would fit perfectly right there. And also this area on the back of the deck, that corner, keeps a lot of shade. I did have other plans with this corner. I wanted to actually put like 2 green stalks right here so that I could grow my herbs and things like that on the deck. But I said no, I had to have this folding set. Now, y'all comment below. Let me know what y'all think of this. Again, folding chairs, $10. Folding table, $15. So y'all already know. Simple open carry. We having cookouts, birthday parties, family reunions. There is always somebody that shows they behind at these functions. So y'all already know. Multi-purpose for folding chair and multi-purpose table. Alright you guys, so I hope this has inspired you guys to get your riverfront boat makeover going. Oh man, you guys, I'm still full of joy, and this made me very, very happy when I spent this money. And again, my plan was not to buy deck furniture. I went to Ikea to exchange a table that I had purchased for my craft room. I didn't have the proper legs for them, so I had to take a trip because Ikea is probably about 2 hours away from me. So I had to go back, exchange that, get the right legs for my table. And as I was just browsing, I came across this, you guys. Also, the little planter that you see right there, they had these on sale for $2.99, and I think the regular price on these was like $10.99. These are super cute. Faux flowers, but I thought this would sit really nice here. I also thought about getting like a smaller umbrella, but then I said it's the end of the season. I don't need to do that kind of shopping right now. So I said I will wait to next season to finish off my deck. But right now I just love the way this situates right here, and my son said he loved it too. He said I should have got more chairs. He said I could have even ran maybe 2 more of those tables on my back end and kind of connected them with some kind of hardware, and he said those would have sit really nice back here. So right now this is what my deck is looking like right now. And again, my plan is to fill up all of this corner, the back end, and come around with seating in this whole area. I was thinking about putting up mini grill, but I haven't cooked on my deck in so long and I feel like it's kind of hazardous. A lot of people cook on their deck, but I'm a little bit leery about being up here with a grill. And I'm going to surround the edging of the deck with some flower pots, and so that I could grow some pretty flowers and also some herbs inside there as well. So that's what the future looks like on this end of the deck. And like I said, I still have a lot of room that I can fill up. I may even add a little table in the middle here with some more chairs. I'll probably put like one of those high coolers up. You know, the coolers that sit on legs? I thought that would be nice in the corner over here as well. So that is my plan. And I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. Put a cooler that stands up on legs on this back end. So what else? So I think that's going to be all that I'm going to do up here. Come next season, I'm going to go out in the yard. I'm going to create more seating area, probably with a gazebo or something like that. I want to definitely put benches out that way under the trees. I'm going to do some pruning back of the trees next season so that I can put some benches out there and some other things. That's why I haven't been doing a lot as far as the garden, because I'm trying to figure out other things. But I did do a lot of cleaning up, you guys, so I got to bring you some videos on that. Me and my son, we have cleaned up a lot out here, and we got the trellis area to go, and that's going to be it for summer season. And then we're going to get back out. I'm going to get ready for fall gardening. So, alright you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have been inspired to create your own riverfront boat patio inspired by Ikea furniture. And I will run it down again. Folding chairs, $10. Folding table, $15. I would say run, run, run. This is a run deal. Look, you guys, this ain't a coupon deal, but this is definitely a run deal. Y'all need to go ahead and go cop this as soon as possible before they sell out, because I'm guaranteeing by tomorrow, most of the patio porch furniture is going to be completely sold out, because they was clearing this stuff out yesterday. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Continue to tune in to Homesteading with SEK. And if you guys are not following me on my crafting channel, go over there and see what's going on with Crazy Quilts and Crafts with SEK. You guys will enjoy the content over there. You will learn a lot. I'm building that channel right now. I'm having a lot of fun in the crafting world with all the quilters over there and the seamstress and things of that nature. So you guys are interested in it, go over there and follow me. Alright you guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace.